Get ready to add some nature with your creativity. In today's video, we are going to jazz up these feathers for using into your junk journal. So hi, it's Sangeeta welcoming on my channel RN the Artist. So before I start, I want to tell you I didn't buy these feathers. Look at these. These are not so beautiful, but in for our project we can use them perfectly. I want to tell you that you should not buy feathers because it's a cause of animal cruelty, and as a crafter and as a junkie we should not promote these animal cruelty stuffs. Today I went a local park and I get uh, some excited things from there. uh, of course these feathers, and look at these. I don't know what we call them. These are like hanging around trees. So I think these are so beautiful, and I will certainly use them in our project or junk journal. uh, let's see. And this wood piece, in upcoming video I'm planning to make a wooden pen with you guys, so I am also excited for that. Okay, and yes, look at these flowers. Yes, I pressed them because it's 3 or 4 hours. They were becoming very lazy or down, so I thought their petals will be destroyed if I will not press them. So I just kept them in my book. We will use them certainly, but not in this video. Okay, let's keep it aside. One more thing, I found these large huge leaves. We will use for gluing things or uh, as a base for something. Today we will use also. It will be fun on our channel to use them. I hope you will like these also. Okay, love them, love them. Okay. Finally, let's start our project. For this project, of course, we need feathers. If these are not so good, then it will be best. Okay, and brushes for painting, some tools or some thread as per your liking, or acrylic colors. I have gold or other colors, and of course gesso, or you can use white acrylic paint instead of gesso. If you have not, if you have, then perfectly fine. And for embellishing, some beads. I have these, so let's see which one I will use. One, look at this. Look at this, beautiful. I was so happy when I saw this pattern feather. It's a baby pattern feather. It's not fully grown feather. uh, Look at these patterns. They are not fully visible, but very delicate, very nice. Start with this. Let's wet this brush. Okay, we will apply gesso. Now they are partially dried. Now I can use my second coat. Let's just prepare our colors. Let's start coloring. Let's keep it aside, let it dry, and we will move on our second feather. For this I will choose black but not pink. These will be some brighter colors, so I will not go with brown. Definitely yellow, turquoise, green, orange, and this green. So let's start with yellow, of course, and then orange, and then this green, and then this green, and our tail, and finally black. Let's smudge them. You can use your alcohol inks. That will be great. I think I have not that, so I am using acrylics, and for me these are working perfect. If you have alcohol inks, then use them, and let me know if they are showing more great results than acrylics. I will be uh, happy to know that. Let them dry. When they are drying, we should decide our embellishment first. Let's check what we have. See, I got these from a tree. I was very happy to see them. I will definitely use in some projects as a um, charm or bead. I think as a charm for bead, I don't know I can uh, pass the needle through this, so I can use this as a charm. Okay, check my feathers and look at these. I have two type of colors. One is this and one is this. I think this will go with this and this can go with this, but I'm not satisfied with this only. I have a thing also. Yeah, I have this also. I think this will go. Let's try these beads. I can go with gold or this smaller one. Or these more smaller one, smallest one. Okay, these are not fitting in this. Yeah, I think it's cute. I, I will go with this cute one. See, just leave some some part of this thread or this fabric and start wrapping it, so you can mm, attach some bead with this also. I can make knot of it, or you can glue it. Okay, yeah, that was smooth. Try this. That's it. I'm fine with this. No more. It will not go. I think it's done. So next, work with this. It has a hole. We can work with this stationary needle. Okay, done. Uh, I will go with this. It has been damaged from backside, but I will fix it. Okay. I think I can use this thread, but I have no this color in this. I will go only with this color. Yeah. So just start wrapping as I told you before. Okay, separate them. Otherwise, it will be bulky for our journal. No, so yeah, done. I can make a note. You can glue it. I will cut it off from there, and I will make a slit. Yeah, success. As per our color scheme, I can use this, this. Yes. Make a note. Or let it be like this, and this, and this. Oh, okay, let's put them in our journals and look at them. And I have two more. What do you think? I am thinking they are gorgeous. Look at this. Look at these. I am just loving with these pieces. Okay, I'm strongly feeling to use gold. Okay, it's beautiful. It's picking up the texture. Look at this now. Perfect. I can use here on the bead. Fine. My favorite is this with gold one. So keep them in my journal. Let's do it. Let's start with this one. I will. It is almost full, so its flip through will come soon on my channel. So keep in touch with me. Let's see where to attach it. It can be. Nah. Yeah, here. It's first page. I will go with first page only. It will look here good. Look at these forms and this feather. I hope you will love this. Okay with this? Yeah. So tell me in the comment box, what do you think about this project? Did you like it or not? In next video I will be showing you how to make a wooden pen or embellish that with you together. Okay, so see you in my next video. Till then, stay at home this project and tag me on my Instagram handle rn the artist. I will drop a link below this channel in the description box, and make some project with this concept, and tag me and let me know how it is working for you. Yes, definitely it can be used for variety of projects as charm or a hairband, or like this. It's a very tiny, so you can use as a uh, what we call earring. Okay, you can use here a loop instead of this part and can wear as an earring. Look at this. Forget this part, and this is so beautiful. And uh, if you remove this part, it can attach a pen nib and make a cute pen. So you can use it as a pen, as a hanging charm. If I embellish or hang these, or making a forest journal, so it is a bright option for you. Look at this. This is perfectly going with this theme, but with different color scheme. Okay, it will not go with this color scheme, but definitely with other color scheme. But I am also liking it. Okay, uh, so see you guys in my next video, or tell me, don't forget to tell me you like it or not. So see you in my next video, and till then, happy crafting and love you all. Okay, bye.